Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing good today? Hope you guys doing awesome. I hope you guys had a good week. I hope you guys had a wonderful garden. Shout out to all the gardeners. Shout out to everyone. Shout out to the new gardeners. Shout out to just keep planting. Just keep planting. Keep producing. The more you plant, the more you learn. So today I'm going to harvest some peppers. I have several different type of peppers. This pepper is banana pepper, and this one is jalapeno. So this is two different pepper I have in the same area. I usually try to plant different things together just to see what can happen. And I think it really works out well because I plant the banana pepper and I also plant the jalapeno pepper, and I'm not gonna lie guys, they did wonderful. Okay, all right. These bell peppers, I think I'm gonna leave them for a few more days. Okay. Watch here again, bell pepper. Pepper like crazy in this garden. Okay, we have bell pepper here as well. We have bell pepper coming up here. Okay, so we're gonna take this big one. All right, guys, I think we're gonna end it right here. Let me go for the rest pepper And then I want to show you guys how much pepper I harvest today. Let's put it on this piece of granite right there. Let me clean off this granite. And let's just spread it out and see what is really here. Let me take off these few okras. Okay guys, this is it right here. I'm not sure if I want to throw out all of them, but this is a pepper harvest, which I'm just gonna show out everything so you can see for yourself. Alright guys, this is my harvest for the day. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.